Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 11 slow printing issues. First method is printer troubleshooting. Second method is reset printer to default settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.